In 1741, an enterprising Dutch sea captain called Davy Mout van der Meer brought from India the first live rhinoceros to be seen in mainland Europe since 1579. He called her Clara and toured her ceaselessly around Europe for nearly 20 years to huge acclaim and excitement. She became the object of great wonder and affection, and her celebrity generated a massive industry in souvenirs and imagery. From cheap prints to costly paintings, fantastical clocks and exquisite sculptures. Our exhibition considers the artistic response to the phenomenon of Clara, looking also at other celebrity rhinos, hippos and elephants represented by artists between the 16th and 19th centuries. This was a period of transition from a time when exotic animals were exchanged as royal gifts to the emergence of public menageries and zoos. Other famous beasts featured include the elephants Hansken, Tuny and Jumbo, and the hippo Obeish, star of London Zoo between 1850 and 1878. These individual rhinoceroses, elephants and hippopotamuses shared Clara's fate of being separated from their fellow beasts, taken from their original habitat and displayed as wonders of nature for public entertainment. The artworks they inspired provide an unusual and fascinating lens through which to observe human attitudes to animals in an age of European exploration, colonisation and commercialisation. The exhibition centres on the barber's own fine bronze of a rhinoceros called Miss Clara, one of the most popular objects in the collection. It has, however, been misunderstood and misrepresented in the past. So this show, which brings together for the first time all the other versions of this model, will provide an opportunity to set the record straight. Miss Clara and the Celebrity Beast in Art presents exciting new research and features more than 24 loans from 14 public and private collections in the UK, including the National Gallery, British Museum and London Zoo. Don't miss this unique opportunity to meet these wonderful animals and hear about their extraordinary stories.